Hello everybody, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where each week I show boomers how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. I'm Bertrand. Now, today we're diving into a super useful iPhone feature that will help you maintain your peace and quiet. So, if you're tired of random phone calls interrupting your day, then stick around and I'm going to show you how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone in 2024. Let's get started. Now, first things first, let's open up the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon, and you'll find it on your home screen or in your apps library. Now, once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the phone and tap on it. This is where all of your call-related settings are located. Now, look for the Silence Unknown Callers option. It might be a bit down on the list, so keep scrolling until you find it. Got it? Great. Now tap on it. Here's the magic switch. By toggling on Silence Unknown Callers, you'll send any callers not in your contacts straight to voicemail. It's that simple. Just flip the switch and you're all set. And there you have it, folks. No more interruptions from telemarketers or wrong numbers. Remember, if there's a number that you want to receive calls from, just add it to your contacts and you'll hear from them as usual. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show. Hopefully you found this short tutorial to be very beneficial. Don't forget to hit that like button because it truly helps the channel out, and subscribe for more tech. And hopefully you'll see me in the next video. Now, if you like this video, why don't you look at this one up here?